Alright guys, I'm Matt. Today I'll walk you through how to install the new HDi Multifunction Boost controller step by step. First, connect the components from the box. Start with the main harness. Connect the vacuum hose, the other end will go to the intake manifold later. Next, install the solenoid. First, make sure you're facing the side with the label. Connect the two hoses to the front port and the left port, and make sure you do not connect anything to the right port. Now plug the solenoid power cable into the main harness and make sure the pins are aligned correctly. To make this easier to see, I'm using a turbo setup here to demonstrate the installation. Next, disconnect the hose between the actuator and the intake manifold. Connect the intake manifold side to the front port. Then connect the actuator side to the left port on the solenoid. At this point, the solenoid installation is complete. Finally, connect the controller hose to the intake manifold pressure source. Cut the vacuum hose and install the T-fitting. Then connect the hose and route it cleanly to a proper location. After all hardware is installed, connect the controller to a switched high current power supply. The best connection point is from the key barrel. Do not use radio power. The optional pressure output function will ground the blue wire when the preset pressure value is reached. It is useful to turn on a warning light, a water spray system, or CO2 spray system. To make this easier to see, I've got a solenoid here as an example to show you. Make sure the positive is calm from a fused power. And that's it. Installation complete.